We have asked a lot of our teams out in the snow today. They've spent hours battling traffic delays, wading through feet of snow at times, with the goal of showing you the storm, right? And hopefully keeping people from going out on their own to satisfy their curiosity and creating a safety risk. But I have one more big favor to ask of one man, and it's Cory Reppenhagen. Sir, I know that you have worked, like 24 of the last 36 hours, and you're also at the snowiest spot in Colorado. But you are contractually obligated to give Next viewers their weather haiku for the day, so if your brain is not fried, do you have something for us?
I think I got something in mind that you might like. Yeah, I got something.
All right, this is Cory Reppenhagen on very little sleep and way too much work, but roll it, folks. Let's go.
Cory Reppenhagen is on the Weather Beat.
Pi Day, the sequel. 3-foot bomb for the foothills. March comes through again.
Does not miss. The man does not miss. That could be your finest work today, and there's been a bunch. Thank you, my friend.